Charles, Big Falls Anti-Poaching Unit. Just received a call of an injured young elephant, and it's possibly injured through poaching activities. So now I'm driving into the Zambezi National Park now on a follow-up to go and check on this elephant. So let's see what we can find out. Right, I was searching for this elephant. Now we come across a big herd here, about 40 elephants altogether around me, and I'm sure that this elephant with a snare is amongst this herd, so which is going to make things tricky. But we're going to have to keep searching for this elephant, and hopefully we can find it in amongst this family here. Right, here it is. Okay, we've got this elephant there. You can see the, oh dear, the snare in the front leg here. I want to cut this elephant off. We don't want it to cut across the road. Sorry, boy. We're trying to save you. Look at the front leg here. Oh dear. There's definitely a wire, a poacher's wire snare on the front leg there. So we're going to have to call in the darts team to come and immobilize this poor elephant. We've got to try and get that wire out of the leg here. Okay, sadly now this elephant has disappeared into this very thick bush behind me now, which is not good for this elephant because it's very hard for us to follow in, and as I say, there's about 50 other elephants in here. The only thing we can do now, in fact there's a couple of elephants coming out over there, I don't know if you can see behind me. The only thing we can do now is just hang around in the area and hope that this elephant will come back out so we can try and dart it.